Okay, so let's proceed with problem number 3. So kinematics pa rin along horizontal motion. So let's find for the acceleration in this problem. So in this problem, as mentioned, so we have a train increases its velocity from 8 meter per second to 20 meter per second in 6 seconds. So find the acceleration. So of course, represent tayo ng drawing for that. So let us say we have it here from this point going to this point. So let's call this one as point A and point B. So train man, so we represent nga po na siya as simply at that. So going to that direction. So sinabi dito, from 8 meter per second to 20 meter per second. Ibig sabihin, let us say for this point, meron tayong initial velocity and then meron tayong final velocity. Okay? As pagsabot natin sa problem. So within that range, meron tayong time. So from point A to point B, meron tayong time na 6 seconds. So you just write all the given para lalaman natin kung ano yung equations dito sa taas natin gagamitin. So what are the given? So it's increases its velocity. Obviously, meron tayong velocity. Ito hanggang dito. So you have VI is equal to 8 meters per second. And this one, 2. So which means you have the final velocity which is 20 meter per second. What else? You have also the time. So yung time natin T is equal to 6 seconds. And we know, yung hinahanap natin dito is find the acceleration. So we'll just put A is equal to question mark. Kasi yan yung hinahanap. So ngayon, look at the table here. Pagkakita natin sa table, yung given is merong VI, merong VF, merong time, and merong acceleration. So saan yan siya? So what equation is that? So yung hindi na-mention dito is a delta x, no? So wala tayong pakialam sa position niya dyan. So what we are dealing here in this problem is just the VI, initial velocity, final velocity, initial velocity, final velocity. You have the acceleration, you have the time. And yung hinahanap natin dito is yung acceleration. Okay? So ibig sabihin, itong equation 1, this one is the equation that we're gonna use. So solution, so you write first the given. The given, the formula, so VF is equal to VI plus AT. Okay? So since we are dealing with horizontal, so you can just write x dito, x dito, x dyan. So basta itong ano na to, problem is we are dealing with horizontal motion. Para hindi na tayo masyadong malito pa, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng x dyan. So we have here now the equation. So ngayon, identify natin what are those given. So yung hinahanap natin dito is si acceleration, di ba? A. But since nandyan si acceleration at mayroong VI dyan, so we can just transpose or manipulate the equation. So ibig sabihin, kapag may plus minus ganit in between your terms, first term, second term, so ibig sabihin, ita-transpose mo, ililipat mo sa kabila yung variable na yan. So para matira dito si AT or si simply si A, ito siya, ilipat natin dito. So it will become VF minus VI is equal to A times T na lang yan siya. Okay? So since si A yung hinahanap and din nakadikit si T dyan, ibig sabihin multiplication, di ba yan siya kapag nakadikit yung mga variables or variable in a number. So para makancel o matanggal yung si T, you have to divide both sides. Kung nag-divide ka dito, mag-divide ka rin dito. Okay? So, para matanggal yung si T kapag nakadikit, division, so over T over T. So cancel yung T sa taas at T sa baba. So natira lang dyan is si acceleration, VF minus VI over T. So this is now your formula. Okay? So yan yung formula na gagamitin natin na isa-substitute natin dito sa itong problem na to. So ngayon, ibaliktad lang natin A is equal to VF minus VI over T. So you can just write this one. Kung A dito, pwede natin lagay dito sa kabila din. So pwede yan siya. So ngayon, VF natin is di ba 20? So you just substitute 20 meter per second minus, ilan yung VI? So you have 8. So 8 meter per second over, yung time natin is 6 seconds. So 6 seconds. Okay, so let's manipulate. So simple lang to siya. So we have 20 minus 8 and that is 12 meter per second over, copy the 6 seconds. So ano yung makancel dito? Yung second dyan and then yung second dito and then natira si M. So 12 divided by 6, so you have 2. And then matira si, wait, saan tayo dito nagkano? Okay, so there's a mistake of our cancelling of our units. So ito siya, meter per second, hindi ito siya makancel. Okay, so just copy this one. Ito is you have meter per second. And then here is we have 6 seconds. And if we manipulate that one, okay, para malaman natin yung unit. So meter per second, di ba yan? Over second. So ibig sabihin sa math natin, that is meter per second. Itong bar na to is division, di ba? So kapag division, reciprocal, multiply, and then the reciprocal yung sa denominator natin. So that's, the reciprocal of this one is 1 over s, di ba? So that would become meter per second squared. So hindi siya makancel. So ibig sabihin, the units that we have here, meter per second is 2 meter per second squared, which is our unit for the acceleration.